What about Satan? What about when he says, the Lord, I've created evil. I've created darkness. What about that, Bishop? I mean, the Bible speaks definite about evil. It speaks about the devil. Tell me, explain that. There's only one power. Then why would the scripture say that in Jeremiah or in Isaiah that he created evil? Because the same law that creates life is the same law that creates death. The same law that makes you live is the same law that makes you die. The same principle that if you use it correctly, you begin to move mountains. Use the same law of speaking, but speak wrongly, you'll move a mountain into your life and resurrect it out of a sea. While the same law can take a mountain and cast it into a sea, that same law can resurrect a mountain up out of a sea and set it right in your life. I set before you life and death, blessings and cursing. Now you choose with your thoughts and with your mouth. Thou art snared by the words of your mouth. The only devil there is your tongue. The only demon there is the one you gave life to, the one you entertain. The only enemy that exists is the enemy in you. No. I know I got 10 enemies on the block because they're just talking about me all the time. No, they're talking about you because you talk about yourself. They only manifest because there's some form of rejection in you that came because of the fall through shame. They're only in your life to highlight the shame that has been in you. So through your shame, you create that illusion. Remove the shame out of you, one of three things will happen. Either they'll move off the block, or they'll change and give you an apology, or God will move you on to the next level. Remove it, and it becomes eliminated from around you. What has caused you to act like that towards me is not really you. It's really me. What caused my children to act the way they're acting? It's not really them, it's me. It's something in me that has got to be dealt with, and only when I deal with it in me, then shall it be dealt with it in them. A matter of fact, that is really not them. That is really me in them. You better buy the tape. If you walk out this door without this tape, you're crazy. Anyone that appears in my life, they could not appear unless I appeared in them. And they could not appear unless they appeared in me. I in them and them in me. See, you have not understood who you were. You could not.